Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I decided to do this video where I just go over all the spoilers for June BoxyCharm. That is for the base box, for the premium box, as well as BoxyLuxe. So we're just going to go over all the spoilers that we have so far for all these boxes. I wanted to do them all in one video so everybody would just have one video to go to. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing new spoilers for the BoxyCharm June base box. Thank you so much, Carol Bingham. Carol says, hi Mandy, stay safe and thank you so much for keeping me in the know. Well, Carol, honey, you are more than welcome. I really do enjoy this. I really enjoy interacting with y'all. I love showing y'all spoilers. I just love everything about it. And Carol, I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so strap in, grab you a snack, grab you a drink, grab whatever you need to sit here just for the next few minutes, and let's look at some spoilers. So of course we're going to start with the June base box. Now there are quite a few spoilers out for this one, so let's just go ahead and dive in. So first up is a variation. This is the Smashbox Setting Spray. This is, I believe, going to be a variation with the Pure Lease BB Cream. So you're going to get one out of those 2 items. Next up, let's start on these palettes. So the first one is the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Shared Planet Tiger Eyeshadow Palette along with the Shared Planet Polar Bear Palette. Next up, we got all these Zoeva palettes. So the first one is the Nude Spectrum Blush Palette. Then we have the Zoeva Naturally Yours Eyeshadow Palette. Then we have the Spice of Life Eyeshadow Palette. Then we have the Heritage Eyeshadow Palette. And then last on those palettes is the Premier Eyeshadow Palette. Now these were the choice items right here. So you could have chosen either the Tula Glow and Get It Brightening and Cooling Eye Balm, or you could have picked one of these, the Benefit Cosmetics Original Primer, or you could have picked the Hydrating Primer. Next up is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now there is 1 out of 12 shades. Unfortunately, when you chose, if you did choose this item, you weren't able to choose the shade, but hey y'all, it's Artist Couture. Who cares what shade we get? Next up was another choice item. This was the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, and that was it on the choice items. Now, if you didn't get to choose or you don't like to choose, you will get 1 out of those 4 items. Now, next up is a variation. This is the Kylie Skin Cleansing Foam. I'm not sure exactly what that is going to be varied with. Now, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the June Premium Box. Now, this is going to have 6 items in it. So, everybody will be receiving the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Now, next up, let's go over all those choice items they had. So, first is the Zoeva Eyeshadow Primer. Now, there's either matte or pearl, and again, unfortunately, you wasn't able to choose exactly which one you wanted. Next up was another choice item. It is the Knorr's Power Matte Lip Pigment. Now, there is 1 out of 3 shades. And then we have the Lashaholic Lashes. Now, these are in the style They're Real, I swear. That's kind of cute. I really do like that. Next choice item was the Milk Glow Oil. This is for cheek and lips, and it is in the shade Halo. And then next up, another choice item. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. Now, these are the shades that are in that. There was either Homegirl, Hawkwind, Motorhead, Muneca, or the shade Love. Now, next up, everybody will be receiving the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And again, if you are a new member and they run out of that palette, you will be getting another palette that is similar to this one. Now, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the BoxyLuxe June box. Now, in this box, it's going to be 8 items. Now, this is valued at $250, and you know this is a lifestyle box. So you do get more than makeup and skincare in this box. So let's go ahead and see what we got so far. So everybody will be receiving the Tarte Amazonian Clay Pro Eyeshadow Palette. And again, if you are a new subscriber that subscribes later on in the month, They will provide a similar palette if they run out of that one. Next up is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, which is also in the base box. And next up was the choice items, either the Tula Glow and Get It Brightening and Cooling Eye Balm, or the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And then the next set of choice items was the Eco Modern Goddess Duo. This is the women's blend, the Calm and Distress oils. Next up is the Sewell stainless steel bottles. Now it's like a water bottle, and there is like 3 different shades, but we do know the shades. It's either Lilywood, Pomegranate, or Birchwood. So those are pretty nice. Next up is the Smile Sciences 2 Teeth Whitening Pens. And then we have the Hallmark Collectibles. This is a satin pillowcase with a mask. So this is a set. And you'll either get it in the blush shade or the leopard print shade. And then last but certainly not least is the OC. This is the Gouache Sculptor or something like that. I don't know what it is. You put it on your face and sculpt your face. I don't know. So those were the second set of choice items for the Luxe box, and that was it for all the spoilers. So tell me, guys, what items are you hoping to get? Now, as for the dates, so the add-ons, early access is going to be Monday, June 8th. Now, that is for the premium and the Luxe box. And then all access is going to be open Tuesday, June the 9th. And then next up, the July choice items, early access for the base box is going to be Monday, June the 8th. And of course, that is for Luxe and Premium. All access is going to be Tuesday, June 9th. Then the July Premium Box choice items is going to be open Thursday, June the 11th. So guys, make sure you mark that down in your calendar. You don't want to be late to that because you know these items go fast. So guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Sharon Russell. Sharon says, I hope I get the BB cream and the blush palette. Thanks, Mandy. Well, Sharon, honey, I hope you get that stuff too, and I hope it works great for you. I hope you fall in love with it. And I really appreciate you stopping by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would, double check on that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button. My thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that is it. That is all I got for you, so I won't keep you here no longer. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.